how to create a website for parenting and family services. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will work with squarespace.com and I will show you how you can build a website in this platform. So this is the main page of the platform. You click on get started and you will proceed to see the templates that are available in this platform. So they have a lot of pre-made templates that will make the job easier for you. You can just select your template and you can add some adjustments and a little bit of edits, and your website will be ready to work on. Unlike the other platforms that will you will need to build your website from scratch. They also have that option if you want a blank template to build your template from scratch, but for now we will try to work on a pre-made template to save time. So that you can always filter by type or topic. So let's see if we can find our topic in here. All templates: health, beauty, personal and CV, entertainment, personal, professional services, media and podcast, wedding, fitness, nature. Let's go with professional services to see if we can find a template that is related to our desire. So this is for a personal trainer. Salons and chefs. So let's see if we can find a parenting template. So this is for coaching. So this is for relations. So let's go with this one. It's a good one. It talks about relations. So you can always preview the template from clicking on preview. So this is how the website looks. You can check it in here, or you can also click on view demo site to see the website in full. So just wait for it to load. So this is the website. You can scroll down and see if it suits you. So I think it will work for us pretty good. They gave sessions, even if it's not our niche, but we can change some text and some headlines, and it will be good for giving sessions also for parents and stuff like that. So let's click on start with this design, and we wait for them to set things up. So the next step is choosing a title for the website. You can always close this tab or could just give it a title, and you will be able to change the title any moment you want. So it's just a title for now. So let's go for parenting, and let's click on continue, and let's close this one. So click on close, and then you will proceed to this home page, and here we have a lot of sections, and I will show you how you can manage all this. So let's check the website section where we have our pages, and if you want to delete a page or add another page, so that we can do all that in here. Or if you want to add our custom CS code or some code injection, we can do that in the website section. So let's go back to the home, and here we have the commerce section where we have, if you want to add a product or to manage our orders, inventory, customers, and so on. And here we have our products, as I said before, and here if you want more ways to sell, like memberships or custom merch, and a lot more. Let's go back and let's check the marketing area also, where we can add our pixels and our ads, or if we want to create a promotional pop-up or an announcement bar, or manage our SEO appearance, email campaigns, profiles, and a lot more. And here we have the scheduling. If you want to adjust the scheduling area for scheduling an appointment or meetings, so it will show up in a bit. So here you have this tab. If you want to set up your scheduling page, give it your business name, scheduling page URL, which is optional. You can close also, and here you can work with the page as you can see in here, but let's close that for now, and let's go back to the home page. So here we have a lot of things. You have analytics also to check your geography, your orders, and how much comes to your website, and here to set up the profiles of your clients, and here for settings if you want to set up your domain name and your Google Workspace, or if you want to make your website available, your site languages, and a lot more. Also, if you want to set your store payments, like your Stripe account, PayPal account, and Square account if you're from the United States. And then let's proceed to the most important step, which is editing your website. You can just click on edit, and you will be able to edit your website, change the colors, fonts, drag and drop sections and blocks, change text and everything, change the header, logo, the footer also. And also you have the drag and drop feature. As you see, you can add sections, add blocks. In this one, you can edit the section from here, or you can remove it, or you can move it down. You can change the background, you can change the image, or if you want to add a video, also you can change the colors, and that's it. Also you can change the styles from here. You can change the fonts, colors, and so on, animations, spacing, buttons, and things like that. So let's close this one, and when you're done with that, you could just click on save and exit to exit this page. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.